Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy veg Manchurian. First, gather all your fresh vegetables and pantry staples. We'll start by preparing the Manchurian balls, ensuring they are perfectly seasoned and fried to a golden crisp. Then, we'll move on to creating the rich, flavorful gravy that brings this popular Indo-Chinese dish to life. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this amazing recipe. To begin, finely chop your chosen vegetables, such as cabbage, carrots, and a bit of bell pepper into very small pieces. Combine these with about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and your favorite spices like ginger garlic paste and a pinch of salt. Mix well, then form small, uniform balls. Carefully deep fry these until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through, ensuring a crispy exterior. Now, let's create the star of the show, the gravy. In a pan, sauté finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies until fragrant. Add a generous splash of soy sauce, a teaspoon of vinegar, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. For that classic Manchurian consistency, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry, then slowly stir it into the simmering sauce until it thickens beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add your crispy fried Manchurian balls into the hot, simmering gravy. Stir them carefully to ensure each ball is thoroughly coated in the delicious sauce. Let it simmer for just a couple of minutes so the flavors meld perfectly. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped spring onions for a vibrant finish. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.